Today we're going to cut out hair using Photoshop's latest AI-powered masking tool. In this first example, I've chosen a photo with a variety of hair strands in different sizes and tones of color. When I zoom in a little bit, you can see lots of fine pixels along the edges, which are good because we want to see how well Photoshop handles this. On the left-hand side in the Tools panel, find a Quick Selection tool. This is usually the fourth icon down and is hidden behind the Magic Wand tool. You can hold left click on your mouse to expand this and find a Quick Selection tool like this. On the top of your screen, you will see two buttons, Select Subject and Select and Mask. We'll start by clicking Select Subject, and Photoshop will display these moving lines that show what's selected. Now click Select and Mask and Refine Hair. A Properties panel will open on the right hand side. In View mode, we can preview how our finished product will look like, and pressing F on your keyboard will let you cycle through different views, which are useful if you want to see your selection on a white, black or colorful background. In this example, if I choose Overlay and then change the color, I can immediately tell that my current selection blends well on a light background, but not entirely well on dark ones because of the white ghosting effect around the hair. To fix this, we can go to Output Settings, select Decontaminate Colors, and increase the amount until less white is visible. There are still some harsh edges here, so what I'll do next is use the Refine brush, found in the Tools panel on the left hand side. Clicking on areas that need better transparency, like this. We can even use the brush tool, the third icon down, to bring back lost pixels on this girl's shoulder. There are other options you can explore, such as the global refinement section if you feel like your image needs tweaking, but in my case this looks done. To finalize, scroll down all the way to the bottom where it's labeled Output 2 and select New Layer with Layer Mask. Click OK and a new layer will be created. You can now add a layer below as a background and resize your main layer accordingly, not forgetting to convert it to Smart Object first so it retains its quality if you change your mind. If you're working with an image that doesn't have a basic background, you may find that Object Aware mode is a better fit for your workflow as it will identify pixels in a different way. But generally speaking, expect the best results with your edit when your intentions were clear from the beginning. And this was Design Dummy.